بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Already we have covered the lesson, the first unit of your book, the farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, dear student, we are going to do exercise of the first unit. Open your books at page 7. Come to question number B. Read out the text and express your opinion and personal preferences. Multiple choice questions. These are some MCQs multiple choice questions. You are supposed to listen it seriously and carefully. The first multiple choice question is: the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered his last sermon in the month of Zulhijjah, Rajab, Ramazan, Shaban. We have to find the correct option for the MCQ. The correct option is Zulhijjah. Second is: Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered his last sermon in the valley of Dash, Mina, Urna, Gin, Abu Talib. Correct option is Urna. Third MCQ is: Zulhijjah is the dash of the Islamic calendar year. 4th month, 12th month, 8th month, 1st month. The correct option is 12th month. Fourth one is: Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered his last sermon 10 years after migration from Dash, Makkah to Taif, Medina to Makkah, Medina to Taif, Makkah to Medina. The correct option is Makkah to Medina. The second last one is: what did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say about Muslims in his farewell sermon? The Muslims are enemies of one another. The Muslims are friends of one another. Muslims are brother to one another. Muslims are relative to one another. हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपने खुतबे में मुसलमानों के बारे में क्या कहा? The correct option is: the Muslims are brothers to one another. The last one is: O people, listen to me in earnest. And this sentence, listen to me in earnest, means listen to me very seriously and sincerely. Listen to me thoughtlessly and carelessly. Listen to me heedlessly and negligently. Listen to me truly and attentively. The correct option is: listen to me very seriously and sincerely. Now students, I am giving you homework. Learn the MCQs. Write it on a rough page and share your homework in WhatsApp group.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.